of Gilgit-Baltistan. It is a place where nature paints its finest masterpiece. Snow-capped peaks stand tall like ancient guardians. The mighty Karakoram embraces the valley with pride and grace. Here, time seems to slow down, as if the mountains whisper secrets only the wind understands. The still waters of Shangrila Lake reflect the sky like a mirror, while the soft breeze carries the scent of pine and wildflowers. In the golden light of dawn, Skardu awakens like a dream, gentle, quiet, and full of wonder. At night, the sky transforms into a canvas of stars, and the moonlight dances on the silent rivers. It feels as though the universe has paused to admire this sacred beauty. Skardu is not just a place, it is a feeling, a memory, a story written in the language of nature. Whoever visits leaves with a heart full of peace, and a soul forever touched by its magic. Every corner of Skardu tells a tale, from the ancient walls of Shigar Fort to the silent trails that lead to Shigar and Kaplu, where history sleeps quietly under the stars. The people of Skardu, like their land, are warm and humble. Their eyes reflect the mountains, and their hearts the rivers, not pure, deep, and flowing with kindness. In the spring, blossoms awaken like poetry on the branches, and in autumn, golden leaves fall like memories, each one a silent song of passing time. Skardu is where the soul reconnects. Where the noise of the world fades, or the endless silence of the Deosai plains, and the music of wind, water, and stone begins. Whether it's the surreal blue of Satpara Lake, every scene feels like a moment stolen from paradise. There are no words big enough to hold Skardu's beauty, only feelings. A quiet awe, a gentle peace, a longing to stay just a little longer. So if you ever find yourself lost in the chaos of life, come to Skardu. Let its stillness heal you. Let its mountains teach you patience, and its rivers remind you to flow gently, but with purpose. Because Skardu isn't just a place on the map, it's a whisper from the heavens, a reminder of how beautiful this world can truly be.